Hey guys, Matt here again from HandyLifeHacks.com. Today is day number 16 of my Whole90 or Whole30 90-day challenge. Got on the scale this morning and I weighed now 213 pounds, which is a loss of 1.6 pounds since yesterday. Yay! So hopefully that's a sign that I'm back on track to maybe enjoying the massive weight loss that I enjoyed the first week, back in week one. So if not, either way, it's 1.6 pounds in a day. I'll take it. So just a real quick rundown of my day. This morning, again, fasted through breakfast. I know that's been a theme, a running theme, and it's probably going to continue, so get used to that. For lunch, I had same thing I had yesterday, just some olives and some spinach, and I put those in a cup with some broth, and I heated that up, and I ate that, and it was pretty satisfying, and actually, surprisingly, it was very satisfying. This is, I think, the first time since I started doing this that I had such a light lunch and no breakfast, and there was no like hunger pangs, nothing. I felt good. And I honestly, when it came time for dinner, was contemplating not even eating that, but it smelled really good and the kids seemed to be enjoying it, so I ate it. But anyway, for dinner, we had some of the chicken poppers that we had way back on, I think it was day one or day two, back in week one sometime. And we had some of the rice pilaf that we had last week. It's cauliflower rice, by the way, not rice. No rice on the Whole30. So that was really good. I know the recipe calls for apricots and raisins. We actually substituted apples, which, yeah, that worked. It worked real well. There's cinnamon in that, so it really brought out the apple flavor. It was good. I'll leave the recipes to both of those again on my blog. You can find the link to that in the description below. So I just wanted to say real quick, if again, I know I've said this before, but if this is something you're considering doing, the only thing that you're losing by not doing it is time. The only thing that you'll lose by doing it is weight. You'll lose fat. So do it. It's not that hard. It's kind of tough the first maybe week or so, but once you ease into it, it's not hard. You just keep going and you start seeing the results, and that's just encouragement to keep going and keep going. And yeah, one thing I did post on my blog today that you can see, I mentioned a couple, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago, back in week one, I think, that I had a theory that my thinning hair would start to come back. As you can see, it's a little bit thin up there, so and it's hard to tell from just 1 week, but I have side-by-side comparisons on my blog for week 2. So if you go there and you check that out, I don't know, see what you think. If you think that my hair is coming back, hey, why don't you just leave a comment in the description or in the comments. It'd be good to hear from you guys. And I don't know. That's really all I have for today. So I will catch you guys tomorrow.